Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin in only way with a clear checklist. Verify your roster and ensure difficulty and sliders won't waste points. Start by checking your available training points and any active multipliers or events. Once done, prioritize drills that unlock immediate gameplay impact, speed and awareness early, then strength. Make sure to assign the first set of points to core attributes that affect snaps and on-field recognition, because early gains compound into better performance and more XP in matches. Now you move into the execution phase. Rotate drills across days to balance stamina, technique, and position-specific XP gains. Use half sessions when fatigue builds and reserve full sessions for milestones or peak windows where point cost yields maximum attribute improvement. Also, take advantage of event-based multipliers and targeted challenges to stack gains. As you train, monitor declining returns. Make sure to shift focus before fatigue reduces efficiency, because managing intent. To finish, allocate leftover training points into situational awareness or playmaker skills that translate directly to wins. These often matter more than raw stats late. Once done, test your player in a live game to confirm improvements and adjust next cycle accordingly. If progression stalls, reallocate future point plans or use reset options to pivot toward needed traits. If things go wrong, reduce session intensity. Replay event matches for extra multipliers, and reroute points to highest impact attributes immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.